Hey everyone, it's Wayne. Hey, I want to make a comparison today. I've got these lens wipes by OptiPlus, and I got what's in it, 252 of them. I got 2 boxes of them. So we've had them for a long time, and I've also used the ZEISS, whatever that is, lens wipe. I like it a lot better. It's got more moisture to it. After probably 3 years with this, it's got as much, if not more, moisture. I think more than the OptiPlus, to be honest with you. The OptiPlus were a little bit less expensive. That's why I went with them. But heck, these do a great job even after 3 or so years. So when these run out, I think I'll get the ZEISS. I'll get another box of those, and I'm real happy with them. There's nothing inherently wrong with the OptiPlus. Don't get me wrong. It is less expensive. It does the job. It's just not quite as moist. And I like that for the protection of my glasses. So anyway, choice is up to you. You can get either one right here. Thank you. Bye now.